Hi everyone! In this video we will use subtraction and addition properties of equality to solve equations. Here we have an equation, b minus 325 equals negative 452. To solve for the variable, we want to isolate it on one side of the equal sign. Since it's on the left side, let's go ahead and keep it there. Now we need to find all of the operations around it and do the opposite so that we can negate it and isolate the variable. In this problem, we have b minus 325. The operation is subtract. The opposite of that is add. So we need to add 325 to negate the subtract 325. But we can't just do it on one side of the equal sign. We have to do it on both sides to keep the equal sign balanced. So we will add 325 to the right side as well. Minus 325 plus 325 cancels out and becomes 0. So then we have b plus 0, which is just b. And so some people will just say that it cancels instead of b plus 0, just to save ourselves a step. So this is b equals. And now on the right side, we can go ahead and combine these numbers. Because the signs are different, that means that we will subtract and take the sign of the larger number. We can do it in our calculator, or we can go ahead and do it by hand. Here we'll have to borrow or ungroup from the 5, giving 10 to the 2, making it 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. And the larger of the two numbers is negative, so this is b equals negative 127. We can always check these as well. If we wanted to substitute negative 127 into the original equation, we would have, it's b minus 325 equals negative 452. If we substitute negative 127 in for the variable b, and I always put in parentheses when I substitute, this will help eliminate any confusion with the operations and the signs. Equals 452. Here we have a negative 127 minus 325. Because the signs are the same, we can add the opposite and see that the signs are the same, and we can add those and keep the same sign, which is negative 127. Since the signs are the same, we'll add 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4, and they're both negative, and we get negative 452, which does in fact equal negative 452. So this does check out that our answer is b equals negative 127, and we're all done.